Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday where I show you a makeup tutorial, and today we are doing my foundation routine. This is what I do almost every time I do my makeup, so let's get into it. So I'm first starting off with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation. It's such a great finish and feel. I have a lot of dark spots. It covers those up nicely. I have a lot of like redness that happens on my nose area that gets covered up nicely. Also with their concealers, they always have such a nice coverage when I use them. I like to take the foundation pretty much all around my face and cover every part as much as I can. And then I go in with another layer, just doing finishing touches, but that's pretty much it. I do 2 coats and then I'm done with the foundation. So next I go in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage Concealer. I think this is like Warm Honey or something, the color. But I usually put it under my eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and the sides of my cheekbones. I choose places that work for me. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm a self-taught one. So I just do things that work for my face. I don't try to follow any guidelines. So now I take the darkest shade of their concealer. Yes, this is still concealer, but I like to use it as contour because it is a nice darker shade for my contour. I put it on my forehead, on the outer side of my cheeks, on my chin, and my bridge of my nose, and I just, gently blend that in with my foundation and try to make it as even as possible. So next I'm going in with my Beauty Treats Face Contour Powder Palette, and I like to take the lightest shade and the medium shade and mix that together and put that right under my eye, right where I concealed, and I let that stay like a little bake session. I also go in and do it on the other side, and then I just kind of take the darker shades of the powder palette and I kind of just put that all over my face, doing the rest of my powder on my face. I like to do a little bit of blush on my cheekbones and just kind of, powder it down because I have a very oily face and it gets very shiny and it looks like I'm almost sweating. As the day goes on with my makeup, it really starts to set and I look crazy. So I like to powder as much as I can right before I'm done with my makeup. And then I even powder as I go throughout my day because my face be so oily. Now, obviously, if you don't have a super oily face or skin like I do, then you don't have to do the powder. Some people like setting spray. I used to use setting spray a lot, but I found that it didn't really help me with my oil issue. So I just skipped the setting spray and went straight to setting powder. It works for me better, and I like the way it looks afterwards also. So yeah, if you're down for setting powder, hit that powder up. If you're not, then hit that spray up. But you should definitely set your foundation and your concealer when you're done with it. And after doing the rest of my makeup, you have a beautiful finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get info on when I post. You can watch more here, follow me here, and check out my beauty deals website that I just created. The link is in the description. I have a beauty blog that I write every day. Please check that out. You guys will really enjoy it. See you guys in my next one. Peace.